This is Susan Shuman, Certified Legal Nurse Consultant. And Susan, I asked to talk to you because there's two things that you address with your legal nurse consulting business that I think is very interesting. First, I want to talk about your connections that you made on LinkedIn. You told me that one of the things that you did was you went in and just connected with 500 attorneys immediately. Tell me about that.
Yes, after I took the class, I decided that I would do that first, and at least I would have that connection. I knew that if I posted anything under my name, under my LinkedIn, that they would see that, and that may prompt them to call me. And sure enough, I've gotten numerous calls over the past couple of years since I've become a legal nurse consultant, and it's led to a lot of work for me, from all over the country. So
I love that, because I know you told me also that a lot of these attorneys you've never even met face to face. You've worked on cases with them, and it does show the power of social media and sources such as LinkedIn. And there are certified legal nurse consultants, especially beginners, who say, look, I don't know attorneys, but you don't have to know attorneys to find them, do you?
You don't. If they know, some people I think would much prefer just to look at your LinkedIn profile to see if you're a fit for them. If your experience is on there and it's what they're looking for, they're going to make contact with you. They're looking for a nurse consultant or some advice on a case. And I mean, that's proven true for me.
So that's one way you've made connections. Another way that I think you've made a very strong connection is with an MD who does a lot of IMEs.
Yes.
And I know you mentioned that he utilizes you to help provide summaries, and that in fact he keeps you busy enough that you have to have other nurses assist you with these summaries.
Yes. This is a local orthopedic surgeon who's getting a little older and is trying to hone his business, where he's less in the OR and more doing IME for workman's comp cases. And what we do for him is summarize hundreds of pages of medical records into just a couple of pages, and that way he can do more IMEs and less time in the OR. So there's been so much work that I've actually had to hire 2 nurses to help me do the summaries. So it's turned out to be a good liaison. A
good source of income for you as well.
Yes.
And of course, we know MDs don't like to go through medical records, so a certified legal nurse consultant is the perfect person for that.
Yes.
All right, so is there anything else you want to say to your peers, and just to encourage them to go out there and connect with these attorneys?
I would just say to join the LinkedIn, make a nice profile, and make sure you include all of your experience, because sometimes it's that very little niche that people are looking for. Like I worked in the OR many years ago, and I've done OR cases now, and it's been 20 years since I worked in the OR, but they still see that and utilize me.
So it's about specificity and remembering your USP and really getting into a very specific USP. Thanks, Susan, and congratulations.
You're welcome. Thank you.